Hey everybody, driving my MVP in the snow and sleet on the road here. We're doing about 30 by the GPS and the speedometer shut out on me again today. But in fourth, I locked her in fourth, so we're going to do about 30 at 15, so I don't want to go too fast. But stuck on the side of the road, but yeah, it's highway ain't too good. So just had to drive. My MVP's driving good. Like, it's ice on Fleet's highway, and it's pretty good. Just don't go too fast. So there you go. There's your video. Running good. So I'm gonna get off here so I can drive. But little snow video on number 1 going towards Tramway. So there you go. There's your video. So thanks for watching.